Alright guys, this is number 21 on the tutoring review. Now notice, this one says solve, and I know for a lot of you this is one of the scarier ones because it's done with the logs. And so what I want to say here about this is, notice we only have log on one side of the equation. So if I kind of think of this as two sides of the equation, I have a log on one side and not a log on the other. So your goal first is to get the log by itself and then to rewrite it in exponential form. So the way I would get the log by itself, well, we kind of have two logs here. So what I could actually do, because we're adding, is I could condense that into multiplication. And again, the reason I'm wanting to do that is because I'm wanting to get one log on that left side. So this log is going to become that times that. Now I'm going to go ahead and distribute that 3 just to make my life a little bit easier. So that would give me log base 2 of 3x minus 3. Now that I have the log by itself, meaning there's nothing being multiplied by the log or divided by the log or added to the log, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the log in exponential form. And this is actually the first, like the very number one problem on the review. And so what I mean by that is, we could just say just switch these two and get rid of the log, meaning it's going to be 2 to the 4th power equals 3x minus 3. Now another way to say that is 2 to the 4th power equals 3x minus 3. Okay? However you want to memorize it, doesn't matter, but just make sure you rewrite it. Now, when we're solving this, 2 to the 4th power is 16. And then from here, we're just solving the equation. So we would add 3 to both sides and divide by 3. Now notice, my answer is a fraction. Just so you know, it is okay to get fractions on the test. Okay, those are not bad answers. Now, sometimes you won't get fractions, but sometimes you will. So just know that that is possible on the test. Okay, so just to remind you, your goal is, if you have something like this, you want to kind of condense it into one log so that you can rewrite it in exponential form and then solve from there.